guys, welcome to the end of the month, and I've got Empties, woohoo! Anyway, so it's a leap year this year, so out of all my friends' birthdays, I hardly have any of them memorized, except for my friend that was born on the leap year. So happy 6th birthday, you're only like 6 years old, maybe 7, anyway, whatever, 10? Probably 10, she's probably 10. Anyway, so happy birthday. Okay, so let me just start. I'll just start at the top. Okay, I finished some Q-tips. Q-tips take me a long time to finish. So this box had 500 of them. I replaced them with a box that has 750 of them. So it'll probably be 2 years before I get to finish that. I usually use like one a day on my ears. I don't know. You're not supposed to do that though. But anyway, so finish those guys up. Very exciting start. The Necessaire Premium Body Serum. The serum. I really enjoy this one. It's really nice. It's on the expensive side, but doesn't have scent to it. And anyway, so I was like halfway finished with it, and then I mixed in a little bit of copper peptides and made it a copper peptide serum for my body, and I'm pretty happy about that one. I love it. Copper peptides I love, but you know, if you bought a copper peptide body serum pre-made, it'd probably be super expensive because copper peptides are expensive unless you source them yourself. So, and I'll get there in a second. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. I found this one recently in a drawer, and I don't know if it was the new formula or the old formula, but I stopped using it because I didn't like the new formula that they changed to. Then I found this one, and I really liked it. So, I don't know. I guess it was a win. It's probably the old formula, though. I want to say the first few pumps are a little, and I didn't really use this a ton on my face. I use it more on my neck. So, I'm just trying to finish up stuff before they go bad and before it makes me bothered, you know, having them go to waste. Okay, next up, I love this one. The Isntree, what is it? Chestnut LHA Jelly Cleansing Oil. I freaking love this stuff. It's amazing. It's really nice. It's got gel texture. You smooth over your skin. You rinse it off. It does a great job removing makeup without drying your skin, remove sunscreen, all that good stuff. I love this stuff. And no scent, very affordable. I will definitely be repurchasing this one again. Let's see. Okay, I've always got a few supplements. Tear support with Macquibright. If you have dry eyes, check this out. The Macquibright extract in here has scientific studies backing it, and it does work. I can testify to that. It really helped me. Then I've got the Life Extension Thyroid Support Complex. I don't know. I was having thyroid issues on a blood test I did around Thanksgiving, and I retested it after taking this supplement for a few months, and my thyroid was normal. I don't know. I don't know if it made the difference or if it was, yeah, who knows. Okay, next up. Oh, this one's the Skinfix Acne Adapinoid Gel. I really like this. I like the fact that they're using new ingredients that really haven't been used a lot, so I really enjoy that. I give them the it factor for using that. Overall, I really liked it. It was light, it was effective, but not drying like some retinoid products can be. So I really enjoy this one. I definitely would purchase it in the future and recommend checking it out. Let's see. The NIOD Copper Peptide Amino Acid Lipid, when they had their sale around Thanksgiving, their Black Friday sale, I bought 2 of these. And I had to hurry up and finish them because this one expired at the end of March. And I've got one more tube, which I also believe expires at the end of March. So I've got to hurry up and get to it because these are not cheap. Although it was on sale. I think it was like half off, but it's still expensive. But anyway, my face typically didn't tolerate this very well, but now I will say my skin is tolerating it better than it had before. Usually I'd apply this and it'd break out. And now that I'm using it recently, I haven't had that same issue. So, I don't know. Typically I've been using this on my neck more and the Theramid on my face. Speaking of that, I also finished the Theramid Copper Peptide Serum, which is lovely. I've already got a backup of this stuff. So typically I've been using this on my face and the NIOD on my neck because my face was irritated by this, but I was so close to finishing this, so I finished and I tried it on my face for a couple days in a row. I didn't have any issues, so I don't know. Although my pick, if I had to pick one, the Theramid, I like that one a little bit better. So, and then last but not, well, not, I've got a few more, but Time Up Copper Peptides. Here's my little Copper Peptide empty vial. This is the one I mixed in with this one to give it some extra anti-aging and firming benefits. Let's see. Summer Fridays. Lip balm, I got in a little set of minis. So these are really nice. I just keep one on my bedstand. This was vanilla. Highly recommend checking out. Absolutely love it. This lip balm is really wonderful. I've tested a lot of them. A couple more First Aid Beauty things. Their Bounce Boosting Serum. I think this one is like $44. This is another one I finished off on my neck and a few days on my face. I wasn't really impressed with it. I didn't hate it. It has a nice texture, but for the price, there's better products, especially like other brands that have stuff that's better for anti-aging, things like that. It's nice and hydrating, but it's nothing to write home about, in my opinion. And then I've got their Ultra Repair Cream. I went through a lot of, I must have been going through the F bin. I don't know, because we have multiple First Aid Beauty stuff. And anyway, so this one I was just finishing on my hands. I left this on my nightstand and use it on my hands, but now I've got a Skinfix one there. Okay, no, 2 more. Okay. Oh, I guess I'll show this. I showed it. So Shiseido Prepare Cotton Pads. These ones are really nice, and I get multiple uses out of each cotton pad. They're not expensive. I'll link to them below. And then finally, last but not least, I've got the, wow, I'm trying to see if this is an expiration date on here or not. I guess it expired at the end of last year, but the Derma Silver Peptide Ampoule. And this product is one I was really interested in. The ingredients look really nice, but I didn't order it, and I didn't order it, and I didn't order it because it lists fragrance on the ingredient list. Finally, one day I said, you know what, I'll just give it a try. I think it was on sale or something. And I got it, and I didn't smell any fragrance, and I didn't have any issues with it. So I guess that was a win, because usually it backfires on me. I'm like, oh, how strong can it be? And then it comes, and it's like, woof, I got to get rid of this. But not with this one. So once in a while, you win. Anyway, so this one's really nice. So I guess out of my, all of my empties for this month, they're all really nice. So a couple things I definitely repurchase. The Isntree, the Theramid, the Skinfix, and then probably the Necessaire body serum at some point. I have a lot of body lotions and creams I need to go through, though, before I can commit to buying another one, but I really did like it. So, and then, of course, these two I already am repurchasing and reusing them. So, anyway, there we go. Interested hearing from you guys what fantastic February empties you have. Leave a comment, and I will see you guys more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.